Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both your image and your shirt so the transfer will last. First, pick a high-resolution PNG or JPEG at about 300 dpi so details hold up. Once done, decide between 100% cotton or a 50/50 blend because heat transfer behaves differently. Make sure to wash and dry the shirt first to remove sizing. Next, measure and mark the exact print area with a ruler and low-tack tape so your placement stays square and consistent. Now you move into printing and transfer setup, and timing matters. If you use iron-on transfer paper, mirror your image before printing so text and direction read correctly once applied. Set your printer to the highest quality and pick the matching paper type to avoid ink bleeding. Then preheat your iron or heat press to the paper manufacturer's recommended temperature. Press fabric flat, remove wrinkles, and position the print precisely. Once everything aligns, you're ready to transfer with steady pressure. Finish by applying the transfer carefully so your image bonds and stays vibrant. Place the transfer face down and press with even pressure for the full recommended time. Use a heat press for uniform contact or a brisk, steady iron motion. Make sure to peel the backing exactly as instructed. Hot peel versus cold peel changes adhesion, and let the shirt cure if required. If something peels or looks faded, repress at slightly higher heat for a short time. Test on a scrap first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.